Welcome! We present our top 10 Sustainable Development Goals for 2030, inspired by United Nations. Leave no one behind. First, quality education for all. Quality education empowers everyone, reduces poverty, and prepares us for the future. Second, no poverty. Ending poverty ensures basic needs for all and stronger communities. Third, good health and well-being. Good health is essential for a productive and balanced life. Fourth, zero hunger and sustainable agriculture. Zero hunger means food for all and sustainable farming practices.
United Nations. Leave no one behind. Climate action. Climate action protects our planet and reduces disaster risks. Decent work and economic growth. Fair work and economic growth improve lives and opportunities. Clean water and sanitation. Safe water and sanitation prevent disease and improve health.
Number 8. Affordable and clean energy. Clean energy supports development and sustainable future. Number 9. Peace, justice, and strong institution. Peace and justice protect right and ensure fairness in society. Number 10. Sustainable cities and communities. Sustainable cities offers safe housing and resilient communities.
Conclusion. In conclusion, achieving these goals requires cooperation from everyone. Together, we can ensure no one is left behind.